Okay, today we are going to cover section number 17, and this is about integration with SDHR, and we created plans that will be integrated with the shipping points and sales areas. But now we'll actually go for personnel area. This is a pending configuration. We'll configure this. SPRO. Okay. Personnel area, LP1. Enterprise structure, definition, HR. Personnel area. We create a personnel area. And what is a personnel area? Now, personnel area can be compared with your company code. Okay. Personnel area. I am go. Region house number 3595. Oh. Three five nine five 93801. What will be AE? Okay. Save. Company IMC. That's on where it goes. Personnel area AE. .404 metallic. Street, and postal code will be 53801. Would be continue. Okay. Okay. Now we've configured this. Next is personnel sub area. Now, what is a personnel sub area? Now, sub area. Now, personnel area is at the top. Personnel sub area comes below the personnel area. So, personnel area is a company, for example, like Unilever or Caltex. That is a personnel area. Under it will be sub areas. Now, sub areas can be a plant, and it can be a corporate office. So, we can have more than one personnel sub areas. For companies like Unilever, they will have many more divisions. Like, for example, food will be a personnel sub area. Food division. Detergent division will be another sub area. Okay. And other than that, the other clothing and apparel division, for example, that will be sub area. This can be also divided as per the locations or as per the business units. Personnel sub area. We'll create that. Personnel sub area. What are employee groups? Personnel sub areas. And we'll create an office and a factory sub area, but we'll create only one right now. Personnel sub area, personnel area, IMCO. And we can create new entries, IMCO. This is IMCO corporate office, corporate HQ, and IMFT, which is factory. The payroll for this one will be different than this one. Save. So we have two personnel sub areas. So these are physical locations are personnel sub areas. Okay. Set a partner determination. Sales basic functions partner determination. Okay. SPRO. SPRO reference. Let's go a little bit fast. Set a partner determination. Set a partner for the sales document item. Okay. Sales distribution. Basic functions. Basic functions. Partner determination. Set a partner determination. Set a partner determinant for sales document item. Start a partner for sales document item. Okay, over here we have sales employee, partner determination. We have TAN standard item. We don't have standard. Okay, we have standard item, partner functions, sales employee, and it will be partner mandatory, sales employee, partner mandatory. We'll not keep it mandatory because then, of course, our document flow will get restricted. No change possible. Print relevant, print label. Okay. So, okay, this is good. data already saved. And okay, over here we have Chile, India, employee group and employee subgroup. Okay, and we'll go for employee group, employee subgroup. Now, what are employee groups and employee subgroups? Now, employee groups can be active employees, retired employees, or let's keep it to that, active and retired. Okay. So now we will active TG, active Huawei, early retirees, Huawei. Yeah. So we have IMCO. So we don't have I here. So we'll create I, employee group, save. Active employee group. Data was saved. Or employee subgroup. Now it is employee subgroup. Salaried, contractors, freelancers. Okay. Daily wages. These are subgroups. Okay. Okay. Salesperson subgroup is salesperson, but we will actually go with another commission. Yeah. Salary, contract, commission, daily wages. These are four entries that we can make, but we'll just go with two or one. Okay. IS, IMO, salary, class, IC, IMCO, commission. Okay, IS, it says it is there. So IS is there. IS is there. Okay, I9, I0. Okay, salary class is 9, commission is I0. Okay, great. Sales organization. That's pretty straightforward. The sales org. IMNS, not sales. IMNS. IMNS. MCO, not sales. Okay. Not sales, save country. Okay. Not sales org. Okay, this is done. Short description, create request. Okay, enter contain next entry, sales org, South sales. IMNS and IMSO. Okay, IMNO, I am not sales. Okay, we already have this. We've already created all this. IMNO, IMNS, IMSO. Fair enough. Go ahead. Distribution channel. LD, direct sales. ID, so direct sales. We already have it. Okay. Okay. I see direct sales I9. Direct sales I9. Okay. Data already saved. This is also done. Shipping points. This is shipping point. Logistics. Shipping point. Yeah. IMSH. Okay. New entries. IMSH. CEO. Shipping point. Assign sales org to company code. Okay. Assignment. Info South. Info North Sales South North. Okay, fair enough. Save. Assign distribution channel to sales org. Imno, Imco, I9. Okay, this is also done. Set up sales area, sales org, distribution channel, division. Set up sales area. So sales area is a combination of sales org, distribution channel, division. Division. Okay. I am no L9, IS. I am no L9, L9. I9, L9. Okay. Yeah, this is also done. Okay, sales org, distribution channel, and plant. Okay. No, I am no I9. I'm 0102, 0102. Okay. Plant name, barrack sales, 02, 03, 5, and 7. Okay. Copy as 03, 05, 03, 05. That I've saved. Zero three, 03. Copy as IM 07, 07. Saved. Okay. Assign shipping point to plant. Assign shipping point to plant. Okay. Assign button, shipping point, IM SH. Control F, IM CO. Okay. Assign. Control F, IM SH. Okay. Assign. IMG. IM SH. IM SH. So we are assigning one shipping point to every plant, every shipping point. Okay. To every plant, yes. To every plant. IMSH. Okay. Now that is done. Save. Data was saved. Okay, we are done with that. Assign shipping points. Save use sales employee without HR. This function has been removed. We need to implement HR to enter sales employee data in sales order and send to COPA. HR module is not, we can use sales employee without HR to enter sales employee data. In this case, HR tables are transported from client 0 to target client. There must be 2 transport requests to transfer HR tables from client 0. So because for use sales employee without HR, you alternately use report RP0 UTRL00 can be used in transport the required tables. Okay, for that, I guess SC38, because it says program. Yeah, so it says to run this program. Okay, it's not program, it's SC11 report. SC38. Okay, execute. Okay, so that was done. Yeah. Set pricing procedure, distribution basic functions. Okay, now this is an important part. SPRO, basic function pricing, pricing control. Very important for interviews. You should understand this concept. And this concept will be tested in your interviews for your knowledge that you should have regarding pricing procedures. Okay, pricing control. And once you actually get the hang of it, it's pretty much logical. Define and assign pricing procedure. Define and assign pricing procedure. Don't set pricing procedure. Set procedure RVAA01. RVAA01. Standard. Copy as button. Change procedure LAPP. Okay. LAPP. Okay. IMPP. Okay. IMAPP changes LAP procedures. MCO pricing. Procedure. Copy all. Ignore the warning message. Select procedure. Okay, this is copying all the steps that are included in pricing procedure that get activated once a sales order and a certain material group is triggered for the sales. And this is a very important part, heart and soul of the sales and distribution module. I'm just pressing enter. On. Continue, copied 63 IMAPP and warning message, please want to procedure demo folder. Procedures, controlled data. Okay, condition type K07. K07 customer discount. Select required 104. Required, which is this one, means it has to be filled in, initiated and initialized. Condition type SKTV, deselect required 914915. Page down. 914915. 914915. Statistical required. MWST rounding off. Mandatory. Okay. Make a note of account key. C type PR00 MWST and respectively. Condition type PR00 PR. PR00 ERL MWST. Nine one four MWST MWS. This is for rounding. MWS. Okay, this is for calculating output tax. And K07 K07104 104 is K07 customer discount ERS. What are these? Basically, these are for account integration with FI from the SD part. Okay. Now this is ERS. What is that condition type? ERS. ERS, sales deductions. Okay. ERL revenue and MWS will be taxes on sales and purchases. Okay. Okay. Make sure BPRS is copied. 940. PPRS internal price. This is statistical. Save. Save. Set pricing procedure determination, same path line, define assign pricing procedure. Define assign. Define assign, double click on define assign pricing procedure. Double click on define pricing procedure determination. Define. It is defined. Pricing procedure determination. New entries. Sales org. Condition type. Okay. Okay. IMNO. Okay. IMNO pricing procedure LAP9. No. Now we have a different one. IMPP. IMPP. IM. So the condition type that will pick from that pricing procedure will be PR00 to map the prices. Okay. Okay. Save. Continue. Tax determination rules to basic on one-time setting to basic functions path. Okay. Basic functions. Taxes define determination rules. New entries, tax count, tax country IN sequence 1, AE, MWST, tax category, UTXJ. 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 Once per country, MWST. Okay. OVK1. Same path partner setup partner determination. Okay. Partner determination. Setup partner determination. For customer master. Partner function SP, SHBP, PY, sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, payer, account group, LASD. Okay. SP. Sold to party. In procedure, which is pricing procedure. Account groups function assignment folder. Account groups. SP. Sold to party. Name LASD. Oh. LASD. Account group. So this is the account group that we would have made for customers, right? I don't think so. We have made one. So let's make one. We have for L9 SD. Okay, we don't have one. What we'll do is count groups. Okay, this is locked. L9 SD, copy as IMSD. Okay, assign number ranges to customer account groups. L9 SD, let's see what it has. L9 SD, XX, IMSD. Okay, saved. Data already saved. Okay, LASD ship to party. Yeah. SP, IMSD, SHBP, SH, PP, PY. Okay, save and saved. Pattern determination procedures. Pattern determination procedures. Inventories LAPD. Okay, IMPD. IMPD, PDP for PDP for pattern determination procedures for IMCO. Save. Select, double click pattern functions in procedure. And new entries SPBP, SHPY. SP, SHPP. Mandatory function, not modifiable. Not modifiable, mandatory. Okay, saved. Assignment, position, group, IMSD, IMPD, save. VOV6, VOV6. Okay, VOV6, SLCA, it's to the schedule line category. schedule line category, and DN, page down, returns, movement type, double click, GD returns unrestricted, 653. Okay. Relevant for delivery, yes, these are the items relevant for delivery. Transaction flow is 30, general schedule lines. FS 00. Sales revenue, G029. It's the revenue. Save. It's already revenue. G029. 400, 491, 407. Okay. This will be non-operating expense and income. Non-operating. GL account discount. Save. Create GL account sundry debtors. One hundred 610, 200, 610. Supply debtors. Control tab, only balances. Balances. Recon account. Customers. Sort key. 031. G067. G067. Post automatically will not, it will configure if it is ticked, if it is checked. So either it can post automatically or it can be recon account at one time. Okay. Account, assignment of accounts for automatic postings, basic function. Okay, basic function. Account assignment costing. Revenue account determination. Assign GL account. Okay, this is VKOA. New entries. Condition type coffee. Chart of accounts, sales org, ERL. Okay, coffee chart of accounts, LACA. Now, what is the combination that we are going to use here? Customer group, material group, account key. Account key that we have seen in pricing determination, that ERS, ERL, and NWS. Customer group account key, material group account key, general account key, company code, condition, contract. Usually we actually stay till here 05. Condition type account key. So sales or account key, account assignment category, and account assignment. What was this one? Account assignment. Check this 998. Account assignment, group customer, account assignment, group material. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, coffee, chart of accounts, sales org. So we'll do this in the next one. Double AG, double AG. Double AG, double AG. Okay. So we'll do this in the next one. Or maybe we can new entries. V. Now, V is for coffee. Sales distribution. Yeah. Coffee. Chart of accounts is IMCO. Sales org is IMNO. North. Account key. ERL. Okay. Group customer 01 03 300 510. Okay, let's 300 510. V coffee IMCO IMSO ERS 0103 400 491 400 491. Okay. Material group. Account assignment group for material. Okay, we'll have to do this in the later one. Let's keep it for the next one. Okay, so we were at this point where we had to 1 and 3 sales org EIL. We configure it. Okay, so basic functions, account assignment, costing. Sales and distribution, basic functions, account assignment, costing, account assignment, costing, revenue account determination. Okay, revenue account determination, assign geo accounts. All right, now we will actually this sales org. We couldn't save this because, yeah, V, G, CO, BMNO, account key, 03. Here 510 goes with 300, 510 goes with ERL, that's the revenue. And V, coffee, IMCO, no, IM, O, E, 03, yes, B, 400, 400, so this 01, we'll say that 03 is not in this table. Okay, so what we do is slash control slash OEK 588, because account assignment group customers goes in master data of customers, and account assignment group material goes in the master data of material. So this is OVK8 for customers. We have domestic revenues, foreign revenues, and we can, this is basically the purpose to capture what revenues are being channeled for the sales order, so we can segregate it at the profitability analysis level. So custom 01 is there, and we can segregate this as part of business units or product wise, or for domestic or as foreign domestic revenues, and from through different channels of revenues if we want to identify those revenue models and channels. Okay, now OVK5. OVK5 is account assignment group material. We have P1. We can use T1 then, because we are dealing with finished goods, but again, we can, for the safer side, let's make one which is 03 finished goods. Finished goods. Okay, we've got finished goods 03, save. Okay. Now we have 03 finished goods. Now it will not cause a problem. Okay, fair enough. Save. So as per the business or material types and material categories, valuation categories, or material groups, we can configure this. Okay. Next is end user, creating sales employee, VPE1, business partner sales personnel, create personnel number, which is blank, create sales representative. Okay. VPE1, control slash, VPE1. Okay, personnel number, personnel area. We have a personnel area. We have employee group and employee subgroup. Okay. Um, okay, personnel number blank, selection type, create sales representative. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now what? Personal area LP1 employee group, active employee subgroup. Okay, we've already created this, and so we'll have the details here. Personal area was IMCO. Okay, okay, IMCO. Okay, it's not actually connected with the company code yet. We haven't integrated it with the company code that we will have to do it. But anyways, right now we just have to create, okay, IMCO active employee group. Okay, and employee subgroup under I will be active, will be the factory. And no, sorry, that was sub area. What? Oh, we did not actually create it. Okay, let's create and assign it to SPRO. Let's first create create a employee subgroup, enterprise structure, definition, human resource, employee subgroups. Maybe we forgot to create some subgroups earlier. Define employee subgroups. So under active will be salaried. And okay, we have a number of employee subgroups. Employee subgroups, employee subgroups. Let's check in the I series if we have something that might be relevant or predefined already, configured, pre-configured. Okay, I0, IMCU commission, and I9 salary class. We already had that. Okay, I0 and I9, we created it, but somehow it's because it's not assigned. That might be the reason that it's not coming through in our results. Okay, yeah, subgroup employee group. Yes, this was missing. So persona area to company code assignment will go first. And that is the part we actually missed. IMCO. Okay, this is IMCO country grouping will be country grouping or country grouping basically dictates your payroll settings because every company, every country has its own payroll requirements for taxation and jurisdictions. Okay, so AE because our company code is AE based. So, and that of course will be relevant and it will be aligned. Save. Okay, this is good. Assign employee subgroup to employee group. Okay, we go back and we have employee subgroup, employee group. So employee group is one, which is active I0 and I9 will be subgroups. New entries. Okay, employee group was I, yeah. And employee subgroup will be I0 and will be AE. We're not going to complicate it further because, of course, it will then get very complicated because HCM is a very big area. United Arab Emirates. Okay, we uncheck this one and enter. We save it. Okay, change display. Display change. New entries. I name. So commission and okay. Save and save. Okay, fair enough. Now let's go to VKE1. Oh, okay, what was that? VP. Okay. VPE1. Create sales representative. I, oh, IMCO, I0 commission. Execute. It's a big area, HCM. Okay. Maintaining, save, personal number, so sales data. Okay. Create sales start will be 01.01.2025. Create sales rep. Employee subgroup. Create sales rep. Active. Okay. Reason for action, position. This is, since this is no entry in table position, since this is front end, so it will not save in the configuration mode. So let's see if you have any position available. Position. Oh, we'll have to create. Okay, we'll have to create positions also. HR. Do we have anyone in sales? I think I saw one. Yeah, sales. Hope that works. Because it's not in I0 and I, which is employee group and employee subgroup. We'll have to bypass this for a while because we'll have to then configure a lot of HCM and the hierarchies and everything. So okay, create button, sales data, sales org, and we just have to give the data for the employee to be connected with the sales org, and our sales org is IMCO. So we'll have to create these positions first. Okay, and that too is not rocket science. Okay, so far we've actually done this, and human resource. Okay, personnel management. Okay, administration, HR was the data. Personnel action. What was that? Was it action? Maintain P30. P30. Okay. So don't have personnel number yet. Organizational management. Expert mode. Unit position. Okay, let's see. Current plan organizational unit is IMCO. Organizational unit not found. Create info type. CO. Checked. Create info type. Not found. Okay, so we'll have to stop here because it needs a little bit of configuration at the back end so we can then complete the alignment. But anyways, we'll move forward from here. We'll keep it as it is. If there is a requirement, then we'll look into it. Thank you very much. See you in the lecture 18.